Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Black Shark 3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So before we get started, you will need a cable that you use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer. Now as you can see, I have one right over here. So let's just set that on the side, and to begin, power off your device. Now when the device shuts off, you then want to hold volume up. So while holding volume up, you will plug in the cable, and you want to keep holding volume up till you see the recovery mode. Okay, so now you can let go and also unplug the cable, and from here we're gonna select Fastboot, and once it's selected, press power key, and there we go, we're now in Fastboot mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.